Now we are entering an advanced level interrogation techniques. But before anything else, let's make one thing absolutely clear. This is not about manipulation or intimidation. This is about ethical information gathering and clarity. Your goal is not to trap someone, it's to reduce deception, increase truth, and make better decisions while respecting boundaries. The cognitive load technique. Already know that lying is mentally demanding, so one of the most effective techniques is to increase cognitive load slightly, not aggressively but strategically. For example, ask the person to explain events in reverse order. Request specific details about time, sequence, or environment. Truthful memories can usually handle this. Fabricated stories often become inconsistent under this pressure. Ethical key. You are not confusing them. You are simply asking for clarity in different ways. Strategic repetition. Ask the same question at different points in the conversation, but in slightly different ways. What happened after that? You can ask sometime later. Walk me through that part again. You're not accusing, you are checking consistency over time. Truth tends to remain stable, constructed stories often shift subtly. The power of silence. Most people underestimate this. After asking a question, stay silent. Don't rush to fill the gap. Silence creates a small amount of pressure, and people naturally feel the need to continue speaking, often revealing more than they initially intended. Ethical key here is you are not forcing, you are allowing space. Ask open ended questions. Avoid yes no questions. Instead, use can you walk me through that again? What happened next? How did you handle that situation? This forces the person to generate information rather than simply confirm or deny. And generation requires more cognitive effort, especially if the story is not real. The unexpected question. Most people prepare for predictable questions. So introduce something slightly unexpected. What was going through your mind at that moment? What did you do right before that happened? Unexpected questions disrupt rehearsed answers and increase cognitive load. Neutral, non threatening tone. Here's something critical your tone determines the outcome. If you sound aggressive or accusatory, even honest people become defensive. Communication shuts down. Instead, stay calm, curious, and neutral. This reduces resistance and increases the likelihood of honest responses. Gradual escalation. Don't jump straight into sensitive questions. Start with neutral topics, build a baseline, then gradually move towards more important or sensitive areas. This allows you to observe behavioral changes, identify deviations more clearly. Now let's discuss ethical boundaries. It is very important. Let's be very clear about what not to do. No intimidation, no false accusations, no psychological pressure that causes harm, no manipulation to trap someone unfairly. Your goal is clarity, not control. Don't think, how do I catch them? Think, how do I create a situation where the truth becomes easier and lies become harder? Key takeaways are increase cognitive load ethically, use repetition and consistency checks, let silence do the work, ask open and unexpected questions, maintain a calm, neutral presence. Because the most powerful interrogators are not aggressive, they are observant, patient, and strategic. And when you apply these techniques the right way, you don't force the truth out. You simply make it very difficult for it to stay hidden.